Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to a new video on app tutorial. In this video, I'm going to walk you through on how to add Spotify to Notion. If you also want to learn how, then make sure you watch this video until the end without skipping any part. It's really quick and easy, so let's get right in. Open up your Spotify website and then log into your account. And then open up the playlist that you want to add into Notion. Click on the library option and select your playlist. Once you open up the playlist, you will have a three-dot line. Click on it and a menu will open up. Click on share and click on embed playlist. Once you do, a embed playlist will open up. Now you can just click on copy. This actually copies the code. So if you want to see the code, you can click on the show code option, and this is the exact code that you're gonna copy. So copy the link and then open up your Notion. Once you're inside of Notion, just type in /embed and a menu will open up. Just click on the embed option. Now you can paste in link of Spotify that you just copied or the code that you just copied. Click on embed link and there you go. The Spotify playlist that you just copied now has been added to Notion. So that's the exact process. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, be sure to subscribe, share, and also give this video a thumbs up. I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.